Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will need to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen right now. Once it is, you want to hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. You have a flash along with the pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment this will just disappear. There we go. Once it does so, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application by going into the library right here, and you will find a screenshot, or you will find an album called Screenshots, which you can see one right here, which will contain only screenshots that I've captured over the time. And here's the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.